Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you guys air fried teriyaki salmon. It's easy, healthy and full of flavor. This teriyaki salmon is the perfect dinner recipe. It's glazed in an easy teriyaki sauce and ready in just 30 minutes. Three tablespoons teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, half tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, salt to your taste, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce, and you can add 1 tablespoon olive oil too, and whisk it well and keep it aside. Here I am using 2 salmon fillet. You can wash and drain them. Dab it with a dry paper towel. Add salmon fillet to the marinade, and you can marinate salmon for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. And then you can lightly spray the air fryer basket with cooking spray, and then you can add salmon fillet in a single layer. I'm going to pair the salmon with noodles. So I'm going to make teriyaki noodles. You can use noodles or rice for this recipe. While the salmon is cooking, bring the marinade in a saucepan to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low. For cornstarch slurry, 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoon water. Mix it well and add it to the marinade. After adding, stirring over low heat until it's all combined and thickened. Turn off the heat when the glaze is ready and keep it aside. After 8 minutes of cooking, you can open the air fryer basket and spread some of the glaze we prepared, and again air fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, you can remove from the air fryer basket, and you can drizzle some of the glaze we prepared on the serving dish and place the salmon fillet. Finally, you can garnish with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Teriyaki glazed salmon is ready to serve. You can do this in the oven, stovetop or air fry. You can pair it with some homemade teriyaki noodles or rice to complete your weeknight meal. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.